Good morning, grade 5. Okay, so today we're going to learn the language of probability. So every time you play a game that you spin a spinner, you roll a dice, or you play a game of cards, they're all games of chance. So you don't know what's going to happen next, and then you might roll a 6 or you might roll a 3. Okay, so today we are going to focus on learning 5 words. So first word is impossible and possible and certain. So you should know what these words mean. Impossible means it's never going to happen. Possible means that it could happen. And some events are certain. So it is going to happen. Okay, the other 2 words are probable and improbable. So if it's going to happen, it is probable, like likely. If the event is not going to happen, it is improbable. Okay, so let's take, Lewis has these coins in his pocket. So he's got mostly pennies, a couple nickels, and a couple dimes. So how likely will it be that a quarter falls out of his pocket? Well, it is impossible, okay? Because he doesn't have any quarters, okay? How likely will it be a dime? Well, it's not impossible, so it's possible, but it is improbable. So because he doesn't have, it's unlikely because he doesn't have that many dimes. The same goes with the nickel. It is possible that a nickel could drop, but it is not likely. So it is improbable. Now he does have a lot of pennies. So out of any coin that falls out of his pocket, it is most likely going to be a penny. So I would say it is probable. Okay, now I want you to do a couple questions on the next page. Question number 1 and 2, all you have to do is practice using these 5 words. So impossible, possible, certain, unlikely, or likely. So, will it snow tomorrow? Well, it is possible that it might snow tomorrow. And if I go look at the temperatures, I might even want to add it's likely going to snow tomorrow if the temperature dips down at night again. Okay, so you have to try to put at least 1 word for each of these, sometimes 2 fits. Okay, so for number 1, and number 2, you write down the words. Then I want you to go do number 4. And number 4 is going to require you to look around your house and try to find a dice. So think about all the board games that you have and where you could find a dice. Once you find a dice, you have to roll a number cube until you can get a 3. So keep track of how many times does it take you to get a 3, and then figure out how, come up with the next roll. Is it certain or possible or impossible? Okay, I also want you to do number 5, which is just picking, say, which color are you most likely going to pick? So it's kind of looking at, well, what is the color that I see the most of? Number 6 is going to ask you to draw 4 different bags of marbles, kind of like that one. But draw a bag of marbles for which picking a pink marble is a likely event. So you're going to have to color the marbles inside each of the 4 bags. So if it's impossible or possible or probable or unlikely. Okay, so that's it. I want you to do number 1, number 2, number 4, number 5, number 6. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.